Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you the location of your fuse box that's located in the engine compartment on your 2015 Wrangler. We're going to pop the hood, and on Jeeps there is no inner latch or cable. There's two hood latches on the external part, and then right in the center here there's a lock latch. Just slide it over to the right, then you have your hood rod. It goes right in this marked hole right there. The engine compartment fuse block is located in front of the battery on the passenger side. It's got two tabs, one here and one there. You just pull on them, you can hear them click, and open it up on the hinges. It does come off the hinges with a firm pull, and there's all of your indicator readings of locations of fuses. It's probably too tight to see, but you'll have all your fuses and relays out here. The fuse box comes with a fuse puller. It's always got a storage place for it. Right in the location you'll see a plastic keyway. So how you would do is pull it, push it over, you feel it click, squeeze, and lift up. That is for your mini fuse puller. Line it back up if you need to put it back in. Just squeeze the top and slides right out. You can put it right back in for storage. To put the cover back on, the lid, you can see that I have to line up the eyelets on both of them, push it down, hear it snap, and you can close the lid, and you'll hear these two clicks. You're ready to go. To latch the hood on your Jeep, you just line up those two prongs, put it in your palm, click it over. You've got two hooks on both sides. Just bring it up, line it up.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.